Welcome to Floral Gossip, my most favourite part of the workshop. Now, as you can see here, I've got the humble, shy Dahlia, which is my logo for my business, Flowers by Mercedes. This is a mini Dahlia, and they come in all different colours, you know, from soft pink to dark pink, to whites to creams, the list goes on. They are a very, very showy flower, more the end of affordable when it comes to spending, opposed to the other end, which is more expensive. But if you're after a big flower that is going to not cost you a lot of money and it's going to do the job, for example, it's a wedding, you don't want your flowers to last 2, 3, 4 days with the flowers that you're using in your wedding. You want to make that statement on the day. So you want something that's open, showy, cost effective, and Dahlia certainly does that. Now, Dahlia has a lifespan of in between 3 to 5 days, depending on the temperature that you've got in your household. They start aging from the back, not from the front. And let me just demonstrate what an aging one looks like. Can you see that? It starts to wilt and it looks really, really sad. And when you touch it, it's really, really weak, okay? And that's telling me that it's on its way out. So can we really revamp it? You probably can by sculpting it, but it's best to let it go because it really wasn't that much of an investment when you bought it compared to, let's say, a hydrangea. So there is a difference between the two, as you can see, as it ages. It's very good. Now, the other thing about dahlias is that they drink a lot, a bit like their friend, the sunflower. Which means that you've really, really got to look into how much it's drinking a day. You need to top it up if you're using flower food, or if you're not using flower food, you need to change your water daily. A cut flower that drinks a lot sounds like a few of my friends actually, but it is definitely a flower investing in if you really want to make a one-day statement, like I said, a wedding, an engagement, even a birthday. So Dahlia, certainly on my bucket list when it comes to saving some money, and I hope it's on yours too. I hope you enjoyed today's workshop tip for the week, because I certainly have. Hope you have too.